resulta guys. 270 is 75%. So that's the answer. Step 1. Convert 75% to decimal. So 100 divide 75. So 100 divide 75, 0. So 0 times 100 is 0. So 75. So mag-down na 0 sa point. 0. Down. So 7 times 100, 700. So minus yan. So 50. So another 0. 500 divide 100. So 5. 5 times 100. So 500. So 0. So nakuha natin yung 75% to decimal. To decimal is 0.75. Next is doon tayo sa step 2 para makuha natin yung 75%. So step 2 na tayo guys. Step 2. So 75 divide 270. Diba ito yung decimal point 2. So mag-add tayo ng dalawang 0. 75 divide 270 is equal to 3. And 75 is 225 minus. So answer is ito 0 to maging 10 minus 5. So 5. So maging 6 na to. 6 minus 2 is 4. So yan 0. So bring down 0. 6. 450 divided by 6. 6 times 75 is equal to 450. So 0. So bring down 0. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 0 times 75 is 0. So 0. So the answer is 360. So 270 is 75% of is 360. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Mabush.